Good morning children. Now in our previous video we revised our lesson number 2 and some topics like successor number, predecessor number, greater than, less than, and by using of digits make greatest number smallest number. Okay. Now today is your also revision work of lesson number 2 and your topic is ascending order and descending order. Okay. Now in ascending order means what? Ascending order means when we arrange our numbers in smallest to greatest form, then we say that these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Okay. That means ऐसे numbers जो कि छोटे से बड़े फॉर्म में अरेंज किए गए हों तो उन नंबर्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, दैट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट टू ग्रेटेस्ट फॉर्म इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. व्हेन वी अरेंज आवर नंबर इन ग्रेटेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म देन वी से दैट these numbers are arranged in descending order. ओके, जब हम अपने दिए हुए नंबर्स को बड़े से छोटे फॉर्म में सेट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर बोलते हैं. ओके, दैट मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म इज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इन योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 you have given 7298, 7290, 7920 and 7029. Firstly, for ascending or descending order, we count our digits. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit. That means all numbers have 4 digits. Okay, when we have 4 digits, that means we have ones, tens, hundred, thousands place number. हमारे पास थाउजेंड्स प्लेस नंबर तक के डिजिट्स हैं इसमें. ओके, नाउ फॉर कंपेयरिंग वी स्टार्ट आवर कंपेयरिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड टू राइट साइड. हम लोग हमेशा अपने कंपेयरिंग को लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड में करते हैं. हियर लेफ्ट साइड दैट मीन्स वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड प्लेस इज 7. हियर ऑल्सो 7 7 7. दैट मीन्स ऑल नंबर्स हैव 7 in thousands place. Okay, now compare their hundreds place. Their hundred place is 2 2 9 0. Since 9 is greatest number, but we arrange our number in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest to greatest form. Here 0 is the smallest number, so write that means all whole number is smallest number. Okay, so we start our written work from 7029. Okay, now after 0 2 comes. Okay, 1 is not here, so after 1 2 here, so 2 is after 0 2 comes, and here 2 times 2, that means both numbers have 2 in hundreds place. Okay, दोनों नंबर में 2 hundreds place पे है, so we compare their tens place. Here tens place is 9 and here tens place is also 9. So compare their ones place. Here ones place is 8. Here ones place is 0. 0 is the smallest number. So the whole number 7290 is the smallest number. Okay. So after 7029 you write 7290. Then write 7298. Then in last you write 7920. Okay, now your numbers are arranged in ascending order, that means smallest to greatest form. Okay, now in B number you have given 6365, 3656, 5366, 3566. now firstly you count your digits ईच नंबर. हर नंबर में उनके डिजिट्स को काउंट करेंगे. ऑल नंबर्स हैव 4 डिजिट्स. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, that means all numbers have 4 digits. So we compare their thousands place. Here thousand place is 6. Here 3 5 3. 3 is the smallest number, but we have two numbers. दो numbers में 3 हैं, here and here. दोनों जगह 3 3 है. Okay. Now compare their hundreds place. Here 100 place is 6. Here 100 place is 5. Since 5 is the smaller number, okay, that means the whole number 3566 is the smallest number. So we start our number from 3566. Now after 3566, 3656. Now we have two numbers left. हमारे पास अभी भी दो numbers बचे हैं, 6365, 5366. Now here 1000 place is 6, here 1000 place is 5. Since 5 is the smallest number, that means the whole number 5366 is the smaller number. Okay, so write here 5366 and last 6365. That means your numbers are arranged in ascending order: 3566, 3656, 5366 and 6365. Okay. Now in next number you have given descending order. In descending order we apply our same process as ascending order. हम लोग descending order में अपना बिल्कुल वही प्रोसेस अप्लाई करेंगे जो कि असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में किया है, बट वी अरेंज आवर नंबर इन ग्रेटेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म. ओके, बिल्कुल वही मेथड अप्लाई करना है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें अपने नंबर्स को ग्रेटेस्ट यानी कि बड़े से छोटे फॉर्म में अरेंज करना है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ इन ए पार्ट यू हैव गिवन 7251, 5517, 8235, 6375. Now firstly you count your digits. Here 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4 digit. That means all numbers have 4 digits. Now you compare their thousands place, because in left side you have given ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay, so we compare thousand place. Here thousand place is 7, here 5, 8, 6. Since 8 is the greater number, that means the whole number 8235 is the greatest number. Okay, क्योंकि 8 सबसे बड़ा नंबर है, इसलिए ये पूरा नंबर सबसे बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. So we start from 8235. Now before 8 7 comes. Now here 7 is available. Okay, that means 7251 is the next number. 7251. Now before 7 6 comes, so write 6375. Now before 6 5 comes, so write 5570. Okay, now your numbers are arranged in descending order, that means greatest to smallest form. 8235, 7251, 6375, 5517. Okay, now in B part you have given 3259, 3529, 3925, 3952. So we compare their thousands place. Okay, because all numbers have 4 digits. सारे numbers के पास 4 digits हैं, तो हम इनके thousands place को compare करेंगे. Here 1000 place is 3, 3, 3, 3. That means all numbers have 3 in their thousands place. Okay, now compare their hundreds place. क्योंकि सारे numbers के thousands place same है, इसलिए हम hundreds place compare करेंगे. Okay, now here 100 place is 2, 5, 9, 9. Both numbers, last two numbers have 9 in hundreds place. So compare their tens place, only two number. Okay, दो number का सिर्फ हम tens place compare करेंगे. Here tens place is 2, here 5. Since 5 is the greater number, that means 3952 is the greatest number. Okay, now before write 3925. Is it clear? Now we have two numbers left, 3259, 3525. Since 5 is the greater number, so whole number is the greater number. Okay, so write after 3929, 3529. Now after 3529, write 3259. Okay, that means your numbers are arranged in descending order or greatest to smallest form. 3952, 3925, 3529 and 3259. Okay, now your questions are solved. Okay, आपके questions solved हो गए. In ascending order, we arrange our number from smallest to greatest form, and in descending order, we arrange our number in greatest to smallest form. Okay. Now your next question is even or odd. Even means the numbers which are divisible by 2 are इवन नंबर्स. दैट मीन्स ऐसे नंबर जो 2 से डिविजिबल होते हैं वो इवन नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके, दैट मीन्स द नंबर in a number if one's place is divisible by 2. अगर किसी भी नंबर में one's place 2 से डिविजिबल है, that means the whole number is divisible by 2 and number is even number. Okay, अगर कोई भी नंबर 2 की किसी भी नंबर का वंस प्लेस अगर 2 की टेबल में आता है तो वो पूरा नंबर इवन नंबर हो जाएगा. ओके, if one's place of a digit is not divisible by 2, that means the number is odd number. Okay, जो जिस भी नंबर का वंस प्लेस 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा वो odd number हो जाएगा. Okay, now in first number you have given 27. Now in 27 right side number, that means one's place is 7 and 7 is not present in the table of 2. 7 क्या है, 2 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा, therefore 27 is odd number. Okay, odd. Is it clear? Now in second number 56, since one's place is 6 and 6 is present in the table of 2, since 2 3s are 6, therefore 56 is even number. Okay, सिर्फ one's place देखना है, चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, सिर्फ one's place देखेंगे. अगर one's place 2 की टेबल में आएगा तो वो नंबर इवन नंबर होगा, अगर 2 की टेबल में नहीं आएगा that means odd number. Okay, now in third number you have given 309 and in one's place you have given 9 and 9 is not present in the table of 2, therefore 309 is odd number. Okay, now in fourth number you have given 510 and one's place is 0 and 0 is also present in the table of 2 because 2 5s are 10, 1 0 10. Okay, so whole number 510 is even number. Is it clear? Now in fifth number you have given in one's place 8, that means 8 is present in the table of 2, 2 4s are 8, therefore the whole number 5238 is even number. Okay, now in sixth number you have given 4357 and here one's place is 7 and 7 is not present in the table of 2, therefore the whole number 4357 is the odd number. Okay, so write here odd. Is it clear? Now in seventh number you have given 54 plus 33. Now you have given your number in addition form. Firstly you add your number in rough side. Okay, use rough side and add your number 54 plus 33. 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 87. In 87, in one's place you have given 7 and 7 is not present in the table of 2, therefore the addition of both numbers are odd number. Okay, क्योंकि ये ऐड करने पे इसका एडिशन 87 आ रहा है और वंस प्लेस पे 7 है, 7 2 की टेबल में नहीं आता है, इसलिए ये पूरा नंबर ऑड नंबर हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ इन 8th नंबर you have given 10 plus 14. Now firstly you add your numbers. 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 24. Now addition of 10 plus 14 is 24. Here ones place is 4 and 4 is also present in the table of 2. Therefore the whole number 24 is even number. Okay, that means the sum of 10 and 14 is even number. So write here even. Okay, now student, you prepare your topic ascending order, descending order, even or odd for your class test. Okay, and revise your all topics in rough copy. Okay.